My name's Andrew Kufin with the RI Lampus Company, here on site today with one of our contractors in the Du Bois market, Andrew Flock Services. Wanted to showcase one of my favorite projects of the entire season. This is a Shoreline application on Treasure Lake, where Andrew and his team did an excellent job during a unique opportunity for us as a manufacturer and a contractor partner to come in, fix a failing wooden pylon wall in a time frame that is super unique. The lake decided for the first time in a quarter century to drain the lake, giving guys like Andrew an opportunity to come in here, work out of the water, and be able to create a project of this size in a short amount of time. It's hard to get the scale of this project because of the prominent peninsula that we're on. How many feet is this one, Andrew?
I think it was 375 feet total for the whole job. The seawall itself was probably right at like 325 feet.
Some of my favorite aspects of this project, not only satisfying the need of the lake and the homeowner, is some of these custom columns that Andrew did with his team, with lighting and electrical on the backside.
I think it tied the wall in great compared to trying to use a coda or another product and another cap. I just didn't think it would run right with the wall.
I wanted to talk a little bit about the application and the Shoreline application, and Rosetta does a great job for us, giving us the canned cross sections of how we should build these walls. But something I'm glad to see, you got your non-woven fabric encapsulating all your base materials and everything. And I know we have, what size riprap going in front of this?
It'll be at least an R4 or a 4 rock.
Okay, sizable riprap to help with that wave action, and then that freeze saw to protect that wall unit and that base courses down there. And we'll put some of the soil back in and tie in that toe. I'm looking forward to this one being done, mostly from a boat application that you had promised. Maybe out on the pontoon boat that you have on the lake. And
we'll get this done once the water gets up and actually get some good pictures of the finished project.
Yeah.
I think it'll turn out real nice.
You guys have been a producing partner of ours for a good amount of time, and you guys have gone from large-scale commercial projects to residential. Grand Ledge is a little bit of a newer product. You guys have had it for, I would say, 4 years now?
It's close to 4 years, and it's been a winner since day one.
Yeah.
It grew so quickly in popularity, I think, from the ease of having the 1 foot tall units, 3, 4, 5, and 6 feet long, from an ease of installation and efficiency standpoint. The contractors took to it immediately, and we were worried that it was gonna kind of cannibalize some of our outcropping sales, and it really hasn't. I think it's just opened the door to more contractors that were kind of fearful of the components of outcropping from the ranging sizes that gives it a great look, but these guys can install it. It's almost like a dimensional stone for these guys.
Yeah.
They get and go, and once they use it, they love it, and then it becomes it was an instant winner for us.